Now, a lot of you people in life, right, you're just sitting there thinking, oh, life is hard. I don't know how I'm going to achieve X, Y, and Z. The bills are piling up and my job's not paying enough. Cost of living is going up and I'm not happy where I am. I don't have that much money, this and that. But you're in a situation where you're not doing anything to change that. And the reason for that is your broken mindset. A lot of people, right, have this broken mindset. They don't believe in themselves. They don't have anything going for them. You know, times are hard. Life is hard. They're not making that much money and all that kind of stuff. And they blame their environment around them, they blame the people around them, they blame everything but themselves. Now, this is what I call a broken mindset. And if you're like this, if you're in a position where life's not going good, you know, bills are piling up, things are hard, all of that kind of stuff, the reason for it is literally your broken mindset. Because firstly, you're blaming everything around you, you're not blaming yourself. Remember one thing, right? In your life, you're in control of your story. So it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, it doesn't matter what anyone else does, as long as you focus on yourself and build yourself and do something in your life where you can change your life, then you can actually do it. Trust me, blaming other things around you is not how it works. And this literally stems from your broken mindset. Now, if you're new to this channel, let me give you a brief background on who I am. So my name is Alim and I left the UK 11 months ago. I used to work a 9-to-5 job until I decided to quit and move to Dubai. Now 11 months later, I now own my own 6-figure coaching business, where essentially I help 9-to-5ers or any beginners really scale to 10K a month by setting up their own info business, where they sell skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if this does sound like you can either DM me on Instagram or you can click the link in the description and we could jump on a call so I can see if we're a good fit to work together. But yeah, essentially in life, you are where you are because of your mindset. I don't know who said this, right? But someone said you are in your life because of your thinking. And you know what? It's actually very true, because your brain and mind is very, very powerful, right? A lot of people don't understand the power of your mind, the power of your brain, because the outside world is literally a reflection of yourself. Your life is literally a reflection of your mindset. If you've got a broken mindset, well, then you're going to have a broken life. But if you actually decide, you know what, I'm going to fix my mindset and get to a point where I can actually change my life and have the life I want, honestly, you can do this. The problem is, right, a lot of people have this broken mindset and they're very comfortable in that mindset because they don't want to change their thinking. Now, you might be wanting to change your situation, you might want to change your thinking, but the reality is you're actually comfortable with this broken mindset. And the reason you're comfortable is because it's familiar. Think about it for a second. How many times when you have these negative thoughts, or you think about your current life, you think about your current situation, how many times do you try and fight it? Not once. I guarantee not even once. And if you don't try and fight it, well, your life is going to be a reflection of how you think. Trust me, when I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right, and I used to travel to work and I used to wake up early in the morning, I used to start at 7 a.m. and I used to travel at around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, go to work. And even in those situations, I used to think to myself that, yeah, this is cool, this is fine, I'm going to escape from this, I'm going to become successful at some point, I am going to leave the UK and move to Dubai at some point. I knew I was going to make it happen and I knew I was going to do it. But at the same time, obviously, just thinking that alone isn't going to get you where you want to be. But thinking is the foundation of that. You need to start thinking that, you need to start believing it, and you need to take action. That's the most important one, right? Taking action, because you can well and good sit there and think about things, but without action, you're not going to achieve it. So I used to work on my online businesses during work, I used to work on my online businesses before work, and I used to work on my online businesses after work, right? And the only thing that essentially kept me going is that knowing I'm going to be successful. In fact, I used to put it in my mind so much that, yes, I am going to be successful, I am going to work hard, I'm going to make this happen. That's sort of what allowed me to push through, even when it was hard, even when I was tired, you know, all of that kind of stuff. It allowed me to push hard because I knew I was going to become successful. I knew I was going to leave the UK and I knew I was going to move to Dubai. All of these things I was pushing hard and I was working hard on. I knew it was going to pay off, even though at the time I was seeing no results. Because I was pushing hard, guys. Honestly, I was working so hard. I remember sleeping maybe 2-3 hours across 3 days, and I was working 12-hour shifts across those 3 days. So it was extremely difficult. But because I knew in my brain and I knew my mindset was that I'm going to work hard to achieve what I want to achieve, and it's going to work out even though I'm seeing no results right now, that's essentially what led me to where I am today. Now, a lot of you guys with this broken mindset, right, you're not actively trying to change it. And the reason why is because, again, you're comfortable, you're familiar with it. So how do you actually delete this broken mindset of yours? How do you actually change your thinking so you can change your circumstances, change your life around? Well, you need to firstly believe in yourself, okay? A lot of people don't believe in themselves. A lot of people don't believe that they can achieve success. A lot of people don't believe that they're capable of working hard, making good money and living life on their own terms. A lot of people don't think that they can do that. You've got to firstly change that. You've got to firstly understand that you are the main character of your own story. No one else. No one else is going to make you rich. No one else is going to make you successful. No one is actively trying to make you rich. No one is actively trying to make your life better. You are the only one that can do that. So understand that first. No one is going to come and save you. Number two, you can have anything you want in life. And I genuinely mean this, right? I know a lot of people say law of attraction and all this kind of stuff, right? Genuinely, it does work. Do you know how many times I've dreamed about moving to Dubai Dubai were the times I used to visualize, the times I used to sort of, imagine how it would be like to live in Dubai. And I remember sitting in my bedroom so many times thinking about it. Obviously, I was working hard as well, but I was thinking about the time that I will eventually move to Dubai. And now I'm here, right? I've been here for nearly a year now. So it's crazy how it works. Like, even before I moved to Dubai, I came here, I think 2 years ago on my honeymoon, and I stayed in an apartment rather than a hotel because I wanted to visualize what it's like to stay in Dubai. I wanted to sort of manifest it into reality because I was working hard. I was working hard on online businesses. I was doing everything that I needed to do. At the same time, I believed in myself and I visualized it, and now it's manifested. And yes, I was working hard, but I guarantee you, if I was working hard and I didn't believe in myself and I didn't think it was possible, I guarantee I wouldn't be here. Now, there's 3 types of people, right? One that believes that they can do it, but they don't put in the effort. 2, the people that are putting in the effort, but they don't believe it's possible. And 3, the combination of the 2, where people don't believe it's possible and don't put in the work. Now, all 3 of you aren't going to get what you want in life. You have to believe it and you have to work hard. You've got to change your mindset because your mindset is so important, right? It's like the foundation. Think of it like this, right? If you believe it's possible, naturally, you're going to act as if it's possible. And when you act as if it's possible, you're going to take the action required to get you there. Your brain is so powerful, right? Guys, look, your broken mindset is literally the reason why your life is the way it is. You've got to change your mindset, put in the work. And I guarantee if you actually do change your mindset properly, you will naturally put in the work. There are a lot of circumstances where that's not the case, but generally, if you start believing in yourself and you start understanding that this is what you want to achieve and you start actually believing it and you genuinely believe it, then yeah, naturally you'll start taking action towards it. And trust me, when you believe in yourself, when you take action, you can turn your life around and you can make your life be exactly how you want it to be. A lot of people also, feel sorry for themselves. They're sitting there thinking, my life's hard and I can't achieve anything. And I guess you can say they go into depression and all this kind of stuff, right? But guys, trust me, get out of this mindset, right? Try and work against what your mind is doing. Look, your mind is your own enemy. You've probably heard the saying, it's you versus you, right? And that's because it's you versus your mind at the end of the day. Your mind is going to try everything it can to keep you comfortable, and it's going to push hard on you. It's going to make it really difficult for you to try and change the way you think. That's because your mind loves familiarity, and if you change the way you think, it's sort of going into the unknown, which your mind is trying to protect you from. Our brains try to protect us from things, right? If it doesn't know about something, it's going to try and push you away from it, because your brain's job ultimately is to keep you protected. So you need to try and push through some of these thoughts that you get. You need to try and push through all the bad things that you're thinking. Also, you need to stop saying your circumstances out loud. For example, if you're broke, stop going around saying I'm broke and times are hard and life is this and this and that. What you're doing is essentially putting it out there that, yeah, my life is shit. What do you think is going to come back to you? More shit, of course. You need to start thinking life is good, life is amazing. When you wake up, just smile. Naturally, it will put you in a better mood. You need to trick your brain into thinking that life is actually good. And there's 2 parts of our brain, right? You've got sort of the main part of our brain and the subconscious mind. What you're trying to do is essentially trying to trick your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is very powerful. And I've actually played around with this, right? Like, how many times have you been driving, right? But you're not been focusing on your driving, but you still end up at your destination, right? Because you've taken that route so many times and you just end up at that destination. That's because your subconscious mind has seen it so many times through your conscious mind that you naturally get there. And this is the same with anything in life, right? If you do something enough, if you say things enough, it will happen. And I've seen this with so many different things. I'll give you an example, right? 2 years ago when I did come to Dubai on my honeymoon, I actually posted this post that you see in front of you right now. And when I posted this post, I didn't know how I was going to make this happen. I just said, yeah, I'm leaving Dubai, but next time I come, I'm going to stay permanently. Like, I didn't know how I was going to make that happen. I just posted that just like that. It's crazy the way life works, right? It is your mind that is a reflection of where you are currently in life. So if you want to change your life, change your broken mindset.